To trade the S&P 500 index on Robinhood, you can utilize related ETFs or options, as the index itself cannot be traded directly due to its nature. A simple way to do this is by buying S&P 500 ETFs, such as SPY, which is a popular fund that tracks the index. To start, open the Robinhood app, click on the search icon, and type in the name of the desired ETF, such as SPY. From the search results, select the ETF you wish to purchase. Then click the buy button and enter the number of shares you want to buy. You can also choose to buy the ETF in a specific dollar amount or in shares, depending on your preference. Once you've entered the amount, review your order, make any necessary changes to the order type, and then swipe up to submit. Your order will then be confirmed, and you will have successfully traded the S&P 500 on Robinhood.